Hello friends, myself Dr. Geetharani Gautam welcomes you in the science class. Today our topic is acids, bases and salts. In daily life we use many substances which are sour in taste and some are bitter in taste. And so we have to classify these two as acid and bases. So the sources of acids and bases are like lemon, tomato, grapes, lactic acid, ant syrup, which is containing formic acid, apple, and vinegar. On the other hand, the bases are the sources of bases are the detergents, baking soda, baking powder, etc., which are bitter in taste. So these are the acid and bases and their sources. Acid and bases and salts. We have to first study about the acids. So acids are those substances which are sour in taste, turn blue litmus to red, and dissolve in water to release H plus ion. These are the different samples: lemon, orange, apple, etc. Properties of acids are: these are sour in taste, turn blue litmus red. Acid solution conduct electricity and release H plus and positive OH minus ions. Examples of acids are sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, etc. We have to study these one. Tops types of acids are natural acids and mineral acids. Natural acids which are obtained from nature: ethanoic acid, acetic acid, oxalic acid. Mineral acids are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, carbonic acid, and phosphoric acid. Bases. Bases, these are the substances which which have bitter taste, and these turn red litmus to blue, and these give OH negative ions in aqueous solution. These are mostly the detergents. The bases may be of two types: strong bases and weak bases. Example of strong bases are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Weak bases are barium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. Neutralization: when acid and bases both are mixed equally, these form salt and water which are neutral in nature, and this process is called neutralization. Litmus test can be used to identify the acid and bases. When we use blue litmus paper and we dip it in acid and bases, so in case of acids it turns red, but in case of the base no change in color. But when the red litmus paper is dipped in acid and bases, so it turns blue in cases of base, and in case of acid it remains unchanged. Dilute and concentrated acids and bases. Dilute and concentrated acids or bases means dilute means these have more amount of the solvent than main acidic substances, like concentration 5% concentration and 110% concentration. Out of 100 only 5 part is for the main compound. These contain less number of H plus positive ions. Concentrated acids, these have less amount of solvent than main acidic substance. Example 75%, 70% and 90% concentration. These have more amount of the H positive ions. Similarly, we can say that dilute bases and dilute concentrated bases. In samples, these are given. In dilute cases, less ions are present, and in concentrated base, more ions. Strength of acids and bases. Strength means how many ions these are producing. Strong acid or base. These are molecules giving amount of acid which dissolve completely in water to furnish their respective ions, H plus or for acids and OH minus for base. Weak acid and weak bases are those which if only few of the molecules of a given amount of acid or base dissolve in water to furnish their respective ions. In examples, the weak acids are having less number of ions in case of acid as well as in case of the passive concentration. These are having more number of ions, H plus as well as OH minus. Acid and base strength means Depending upon the strength of acid and bases, these are classified strong and weak. And examples of strong acids are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. Weak acids are carbonic acid, phosphoric acid. Strong bases are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide. Weak bases are ammonium hydroxide. Reason. Now, what is the reason for acidic and basic character? In case of acids, when we dissolve acids in water, these dissociate H positive ion. And these as H positive ions do not exist free in nature, so combined with water to form H3O positive hydronium ions. So acids are those which give hydronium ions. Bases are those which dissolve in water and dissociate to give OH negative ions. And so acidic character of acids is due to H positive ions, but basic character is due to formation of OH negative ions. Example, NaOH strong base. When dissolved in water, it gives Na positive and OH minus. In case of HCl, it gives Cl minus and H3O positive ions. Now, when these two are equally mixed, H positive and OH negative, these form neutral compound. Effect on indicators by the acids and bases. An indicator is a chemical substance which shows a change in color, physical property, mainly in color, when brought in contact of acid or base. These are the examples: litmus in natural indicator, purple color; in acidic medium it is red, in basic medium it is blue. It is also available as strips. The second is methyl orange. In neutral solution it is orange, but in acidic medium it has red color, and in basic solution it is yellow. Third one is the phenolphthalein, which in neutral medium is colorless as well as in acidic solution, and it acquires pink color in basic solution. So we can identify acid and base by indicators used. pH value. pH is the power of H positive ion concentration, and it is presented as minus logarithm of H positive ions. When pH is 7, it is pure water, just like water, and it is neutral in nature. But when pH is lesser than 7, it is acidic solution. When pH is more than 7, it is basic in nature. So pH scale is the scale which is indicated the acidic and basic character of the solutions, and it is the scale for identifying the acidic or basic medium, acid again basic.